Loading and offloading this thing is like solving a puzzle that changes every time you look at it, and just when you think you've got it figured out, surprise, no built-in tractor beam. Welcome to the future, where cargo work still feels like medieval labor, and speed, a cruising speed of 160 SCM and 990 in nav, means it's not exactly setting records. You'll get there eventually, just don't expect to win any races or outrun anything scarier than a cargo drone. Now, yes, it's tanky. Over 84,000 hull HP and 63,000 in shields. Gives you solid durability.